One of the most common questions we're asked at Trial Pro: what should I do if I'm in a car accident? First thing you need to do is immediately call law enforcement. I have seen far too many instances where people don't call law enforcement. They just swap insurance information with the other side. They think the other person who caused the crash is honorable. And what do you think happens? Lo and behold, a couple of days later, when they're trying to deal with the insurance companies, the at-fault driver is now spinning a different tale, now claiming that you're the one who caused the crash. And unless you have law enforcement come to the scene to properly interview the parties, document the crash itself and the details and statements that the parties involved and witnesses are making, and also to give the police officer's conclusion of who's at fault, it can be extremely difficult after the fact to prove that the other driver is the one that hit you. Even in rear-end situations, I've seen after the fact the other driver claim our car backed into them, which is absurd. After you call law enforcement, next thing you want to do is you certainly want to make sure, if you think that your injuries are emergent in nature and you need to call an ambulance or you need to go to a hospital, your health is a priority. I get that. Most car accidents do not result in traumatic injuries where your bones are sticking out and you're bleeding and things like that. So most of our clients wait at the scene for law enforcement, go through that process, as frustrating and time-consuming as it may be, and then they make a judgment call whether they want to go to the emergency room or an urgent care center, or if they want to contact us and get our help referring them to a different doctor. Especially these days, recently with the whole COVID-19 situation, more and more of our clients want to avoid busy emergency rooms at all costs. And so one of the things that we can do at Trial Pro is we can very quickly refer you to the right type of doctors so you can instantly start getting treated. Usually we're able to get you in to see a doctor the same day you call us. Other than that, the most important thing is just make sure that you get the contact information for any independent witnesses at the scene. A lot of that information should be on the police report, but sometimes people don't have time to wait around for the police like you do. And if they are going to leave, try to make sure you get their information so that we can contact them and get statements to use for your case as well. Finally, and this is common sense these days, with your camera phone, take pictures from the accident scene. It's certainly helpful to get pictures of the damage to your vehicle after the fact. We can get that ourselves, but pictures of the vehicles in their resting positions at the accident scene are very compelling, because not only do those pictures depict the damage to your vehicle, they often depict the damage to the other vehicle. It shows the position of the vehicles in relation to each other, in relation to the lanes of the road, and all of that provides us with a lot of really helpful information to use to your advantage when we're representing you. If you have any other questions, you can certainly refer to our website. We've given some other pointers on what you should do after a crash, but those are the basics. If you have any other questions, call us anytime, day or night. We're available around the clock to answer your questions. Call 1-800-TRIAL-PRO, or you can just chat with us live on our website at trialpro.com.